This sweet and delicious looking dry fruit sukhdi is only 46 cents per serving. Well, here is the proof I'm telling the truth. Sukhdi is a Gujarati delicacy which is made from ghee, wheat flour and jaggery. On the 8th day of Navratri festival, Sukhdi is made as an offering to goddess Durga. As we all know, jaggery is greatest source of iron and ghee has unlimited health benefits. Hence, this one pot sweet is super rich in iron and good fat. Adding 1 tablespoon of milk powder and a tablespoon of milk gives it that perfect chewy and soft texture to your sukhdi. There is a Jain temple in Gujarat near Ahmedabad named Modi which is very famous for its sukhdi prasad. People believe that you cannot take prasad out of that temple, and those who tried have not been succeeded. But the taste of that sukhdi is nothing to compare with. I still remember the first time I visited Mohdi. I was in 6th standard and we went to a school picnic. I have visited Mohdi temple multiple times and every single time the taste of sukhdi is same. Well, I'll be back with another single digit budget friendly recipe. Until then, Jai Shri Krishna.